Good day, STEM students. So today we're going to discuss about the derivative of exponential function. So let's start. So here we have the exponential function. So as you can see, we have y is equal to e raised to x. And if you're going to get the derivative of e raised to x, that is already the derivative. So the derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. How about if the given or the exponent is not x lang? Okay, for example, y is equal to e raised to u. So, the derivative of that is e raised to u times the derivative of our u. Ma'am, parang ang gulo. Okay, let's have an example para at least mas maintindihan nyo po. Okay? So, here's our example number 1. So, find the derivative of y is equal to e raised to 4x plus 7. Diba? As you can see, e raised to x, the derivative of that is e raised to x then. So, as you can see, we have the exponent which is 4x plus 7. So, try to write muna y is equal to e raised to u. Let us change muna the exponent as our u para hindi kayo mahirapan. Where u is equal to 4x plus 7. Okay? So, in this given, di ba we have e raised to u. So, ayun na yun. Yun na yun agad yung derivative niya. Pero, you need to get the derivative of our u. What is the derivative of u with respect to x? That is, that is equal to 4. So, again, after getting the derivative of our u, we need to multiply. Okay? Dy or the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, that is e raised to u times what is our derivative of u? That is 4. So, let us multiply lang po yan. Okay? So, simplify natin. We have 4e. Then, you need to change na po yung u, which is kung ano yung u natin, which is 4x plus 7. So, 4x plus 7. So, this is already our answer. Ganun lang siya kabilis, class. Okay? That's so easy. Get the derivative muna of our exponent, which is our u, and then you need to multiply it by e raised to u, and then, simplify po, what is our u? In our final answer, copy po, what is our u, which is 4x plus 7. Okay po? Another example, para mas maintindihan nyo. So, example number 2, find the derivative of y is equal to e raised to 3x squared, o power of a power, di ba? So, of course, we need to change muna yung exponent into into u, I mean. So, y is equal to e raised to u, where u is equal to what? That is 3x squared. Now, since e raised to u is already the derivatives, let us find the derivative of our u. So, du over dx, what is the derivative of this one? That is 6x. So, yung 6x ang i-multiply natin kay e raised to u. So, dy over dx is equal to e raised to u times 6x. Okay, let us multiply po. So, we got 6x e, what is our u? 3x squared. This is already the final answer. Ganun lang po kabilis. Okay, that's so easy. Okay? So, next. So, let's talk about naman the exponential function, which is a raised to x. What is the derivative of a raised to x? So, in a, that is, the given is numbers, which is the constant, para hindi lang kayo malito. Okay? Para alam nyo, saan po ba gagamitin yung ax at saka a raised to u. Okay? So, the derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x ln a. Kung ano yung a natin, yun din yung ilalagay nating a dun sa ln. And then, a raised to u is equal to a raised to u ln a, the derivative of our u. So, yung kanina, kapag x lang yung given, ang kukunin nyo lang is yung ln a. Pero kapag yun na, may iba na siyang kasama, you need to get the derivative of our u. Okay? So, let's have an example para hindi kayo mahirapan. So, find the derivative of y is equal to 10 raised to 5x. So, I-write muna natin y is equal to 10 raised to u. Ma'am, bakit naging u? You need to change muna the 5x into u para hindi kayo malito. Where our u is equal to 5x. And then, you need to get the derivative of this one. Diba? What is the derivative of 5x? Yeah, that is 5. Now, let us solve for this. So, dy over dx, I mean, is equal to 10u, 10 raised to u, times, ln, what is our a? Ito yung a natin, di ba? ln 10 times, lagyan nyo po ng parenthesis, 5. Okay? And then, let us simplify po this one. So, we have 5. You don't need to multiply po the 5 to 10 since we have the exponent. Hindi siya pwedeng i-multiply kasi iba yon. Okay? So, we have 5 times 10. What is our u? Yeah, that is 5x ln 10. Ayan lang po yung final answer natin. Okay? Ganun lang siya. You need to get the derivative of 5x, which is our u, and then multiply it by the derivative of our 10u, which is 10 raised to u ln 10. Pinakita ko lang po kung ano yung a natin, ha? Kung ano yung base natin, that is our a. Okay po? Next, another example. So, here's the example number 4. So, find the derivative of y is equal to 5 raised to 3x squared minus 1. So, again and again, you need to write again y is equal to 5. Change po our exponent into u, where our u is equal to 3x squared minus 1. So, what is the derivative of our u? So, that is 6x na lang. Diba? 6x na lang. Mawawala na po yung minus 1 since that is a constant. So, find the derivative of our y with respect to x. So, again and again, multiply po. 5 raised to u. What is the derivative of this one? ln 5. Ma'am, bakit po 5? Kasi diba, this is our a. Oh, remember that 5, a raised to x ln a. So, therefore, ito po yung ating ilalagay. And then, multiply it by 6x. So, therefore, our answer po is 6x and then times 5. Ano yung u natin? 3x squared minus 1 ln 5. So, therefore, this is already our final answer. Ganun lang po kabilis ang exponential function, the derivative of exponential function. Okay po? So, thank you so much, class, for listening. And this is the last topic for the derivatives. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.